Aiming to win SOF Olympiad International Gold Medal? Then this 5-in-1 combo will ensure you win. Presenting MTG Olympiad Power Pack. Updated for session 2025-26 for classes 1 to 8, NSO, IMO, IEO, IGKO and ICSO exam. Let's see what it contains. Number 1. MTG Olympiad Workbook. It promotes retention of the concepts and critical thinking skills. It has chapter-wise quick recaps, chapter-wise MCQs, the Achievers section HOTS, hints and explanations, solved 2024 SOF Olympiad exam paper. Number 2. MTG Olympiad Reasoning Workbook. This workbook will strengthen your child's reasoning skills, which is necessary to ace SOF IMO, NSO and ICSO exams. It is sensitive to grade level and has lucid and easy to understand language. Short and crisp explanation of concepts, solved examples to build a strong foundation, exercises with ample practice questions, chapter-wise questions of the latest 2024 Olympiad papers and detailed solutions. Number 3. MTG Olympiad Prep-Guide. Master key concepts and enhance your problem-solving skills with comprehensive theory and visual aids, Achiever sections with hot questions, Olympiad Bites, self-tests and exercises, previous year's chapter-wise questions, 2 model test papers, following the current SOF exam pattern. Number 4. MTG Olympiad previous year papers. Boost your confidence by practicing real exam papers authorized by the SOF Olympiad. 10 real Olympiad PYPs from the past 5 years, 2 model test papers, 24 OMR sheets, chapter-wise analysis of all papers, answer keys with hints and explanations. Number 5. MTG Olympiad Skill Development System OSTS. Practice it anytime, anywhere and gain the necessary skills to ace the SOF exams. With 9 full-length practice papers with OMR sheets, real-time exam interface and latest pattern questions, completely online so you can access it anytime, anywhere. Number 6. Practice Come Workbook with NEP guidelines for math and science. This book is perfect for developing fundamental skills as it has brief summary of main concepts for quick review, MCQs, fill in the blanks, match the columns, scramble words to test recall, odd one out, true and false, etc. to assess classification, comparison and explanation. Crosswords and practical tasks to apply concepts, HOTS questions for analysis and interference, activity or data-driven tasks to create, evaluate and implement concepts. Number 7. Solutions ebook for Practice Come Workbook. It contains all the solutions for science and math Practice Come Workbook in a digital format. So what are you waiting for? Start your winning prep right now. Order now.